All right, let's check out Loom. The first time you install Loom and you click on the little icon, you're going to have to log in with Google. It's going to run you through a little tutorial. You have three options here. You can record with the webcam and the screen. You can record the screen only. In that case, it's going to see just the avatar. You can change that picture or you can minimize it. And then the camera only. This is a good one for the students. If you just want the webcam and only the webcam to be shown, it's kind of like, think of that as the Chromebook's webcam as being the camcorder. They're not going to see the screen, it's just going to see the student. And the student will see a little version of them in the lower left-hand corner. So that's cool. So let's go over here. You want to make sure that the audio is working here, and you click Start Recording. And now I'm going to select the screen. What I want is the entire screen, and I click Share. I'm going to get a countdown, and I'm going to click Hide this little menu. You don't have to hide it, but I think it's more professional if you do. I still know I'm recording because it's blinking up here. I can stop the video at any time. I can cancel the video or pause it. And now whatever's happening on my screen is being recorded. When I'm done, I click the check mark button. Takes me back to Loom. I can change the name. I can get the link to share, copy link. I can edit the video, trim a particular section if I want to, start trimming and say I made a mistake right there between 8 seconds and 16 seconds. I can click remove and it'll remove it for me. It takes a second to process it. I can download it in the settings. That's a download the finished video, which is kind of cool. You might want to store it in Drive, turn the comments off if I'm showing it online, copy the link on the share. There's embed code, so that's cool. So this is Link in a nutshell. Have fun, and let me know if you have questions.